I say, oh, I say there is time for everything. I say, oh, I say there is time for everything. Sister, oh, I say there is time for everything. This is your time, this is your time, this is your time, this is your time. Many people, they may look down on you. They say nothing good will come out of you. Just believe in the Lord. He's the only one that knows tomorrow. Who are them to condemn you when the Lord has not condemned you? He knows the best for you. Before you were born, sister, please clean your tears. Brother, please clean your tears. Go back to the world. Go back to the world. Focus on the word of God. Go back to the word of God. No matter what they say to you, no matter what they say, no matter what they do to you, no matter what they do. No, I say there is time. Yeah. I say there is time. There's a time you will drive that car. There's a time you will get that job. There's a time you will get that child. There's a time you will build a house. Just believe in the Lord. You are the light, you were meant